Hey everyone, welcome back to Kraken Packs. Here we are with video 2 for the case of 25-26 Upper Deck Series 1. If you haven't seen the first one, go watch that. But now we're going to get into boxes 4, 5, and 6. Alright, here we go with box number 4. Hoping these 3 boxes do a little bit better than the first 3. Still haven't seen Demidov. And we got a black and white canvas right off the bat of Cam Lund. It's black and white Young Gun, in fact. So throw that up here. That would have been sweet Demidov. But we'll take it. I'm going to try and go through these packs a little faster than the first video because we've seen plenty of the base, plenty of the regular inserts at this point. Sizzle reel. We got another Young Gun. It's Jacob Melanson. Pretty sure that is a new one for this case. Oh, there's a non-upside down bustle, maybe because it's a sparkly one. Don't know. There's a UD Canvas Travis Sandheim, and we got a Cup Quest. We got Encore here. We've got another Cup Quest that's a sparkly one. And then a sizzle reel. See if we can find a sweet case hit in one of these packs. Something a little out of the ordinary. There's the upside down bustle. We got a Young Gun. That's another Cagnoni. Duplicate there. Alright, pack 6 here. We got... Oh, there's our Dazzlers for this box. There's another canvas still in Larkin. Another Cup Quest. Alright, not much going on in this box so far. We got a Stutzla Encore. I guess I can't really say that. We got the black and white canvas. It just wasn't a very exciting Young Gun. There's a Bustle. And here is Jacob Quillen. So we should have 3 Young Guns to go here. There's our Outburst. It's another base, so we haven't seen a Young Gun Outburst just yet. Portraits. Alright, what can we find in this one here? We've got, oh, there's another canvas, Jack Eichel, and another Young Gun, and it is Demidov. Alright, so... good to scratch that one off early. Raises our chances of getting a second one there. Alright, so good to get that out of the way. And then we got this compositions here behind them. Last 3 packs here of box number 1. Sweet Cam Fowler shot there. Here's an Encore Nico Hischier. Another sizzle reel. And oh, there's another. It's Matthew Robertson Young Gun. Two packs. Oh, there's one of our 2 pink Dazzlers for the case. We got Martin Necas. And a couple base inserts. Last pack for box number 4, which just in 1 card has already been better than the first 3 boxes. Here's a Steven Nason canvas. And we got a Skylar Brindamore. We've already seen him for sure, at least once. All right, that is it for box number 4. Let's get on to box number 5. All right, box number 5 here. Now we're looking for our bonus Demidov. We're starting off the box with another black and white canvas. Not a rookie this time, though. Connor Zary. We got an Encore, and we got another sizzle reel. All right, let's see here. We got... Tracking Systems, looks like a Young Gun. It's Quinn Hutson. And then another Compositions. Pack number 3 coming in here. We got a sizzle reel sparkly. We got a Igor Shesterkin canvas and a Cup Quest. All right. We got an Encore Hedman. So far we just have the 1 deluxe. No other real notable numbered cards. Bustle upside down, Tyler Bertuzzi. So we're definitely looking for the more interesting hits of our case here still. There's another tracking system. Looks like a Young Gun behind it. Yeah. We got another Rinzel. Portrait, Mo Sider. And pack 6 for box 5. There's our Dazzlers. Frank Vetrano. We got a canvas Huberto. And then just a compositions there. All right, second stack. Box 5. We got, there's an Encore Logan Cooley. We got an upside down Bustle. And then there's a Jack Finley Young Gun. Missing a lot of the other kind of Tier B Young Guns still. Haven't seen Snuggerud. I think Lashenkov is basically the only one in that group that we've seen. Here is a Outburst checklist, looks like. Yeah, just the regular checklist. So that's 0 for 5 on Outburst Young Guns so far. We've got Dylan Holloway Canvas. We got a Young Gun. Oh, Ryan Leonard, there you go. He's one of the other more promising prospects. Nice to get him out of the way. We got Linus Ullmark, Encore, Compadres, Jersey Devils, Jack Hughes and Luke Hughes. Then we got this Colton Dock Young Guns. Pretty sure that's a new one too. Last 2 packs here. Let's see. There's a population count of 500, unfortunately. But Wyatt Johnson, good player. And then a couple default inserts. And the last pack for box number 5. We got a Young Gun canvas of Dvorsky. Not the worst for sure. Then we got a Rodrigo Abels Young Gun. And that is it for box 5. So here we go, last one. All right, so box 6. Definitely so far feels like we've had one pretty good box and then 4 so-so boxes. That's the tough part about Flagship if there's only one real rookie chase. We got an Adrian Kempe Encore. We got a sparkly composition and then a tracking system. We got a Bustle. We got a Young Gun here. It's Koivunen. Then we got Portraits Dougie Hamilton. We got our Dazzlers, Jarek McCann. Here's a Young Gun canvas. Nope, sorry, just a regular UD canvas. Matt Barzal. We've got Encore Troy Terry, Compadres, Florida Panthers, and Ozzy Weisblatt, Young Gun. Let's go here, pack 5. Give me something interesting. Oh, there's our second pink Dazzler, so we should be out of these now, I guess. Owen Tippett. We got a sizzle reel. We got a compositions. We got pack 6 here of our last box for the day. There's a Young Gun canvas, Oliver Moore. There's a Young Gun of Mark Gatcomb. And a Cup Quest, Jason Robertson. 6 more packs. We've got, oh, it's a blue Encore, so there's our hit for the box, which is a suspect hit. Another Encore in behind. We got a sizzle reel. We got a tracking systems and a Yanni Nyman Young Gun. That's a dupe as well. If we're going to get dupes, we want to see Demidov dupes. We got another tracking system. Here's Cale Makar. And compositions. So 3 packs to go, trying to find something interesting in our first half of the case here. We got the Demidov, that's nice, but a Young Gun isn't exactly the most uncommon thing you're going to hit. We got an Encore, we got a Bustle. There's another Young Gun, we got Carson Dorwart. And 2 packs to go here. There's our Outburst, and again, 0 for 6 on the Young Guns for our Outbursts, but that's okay, that means there's a bunch coming, right? 2 more standard inserts. And here we are, last pack. We got Canvas Elias Pettersson. We got a Young Gun, Dvorsky, and a portrait. So that is it for another 3 boxes. I mean, we got our Demidov, so that's the most important hit out of the way there. But again, 3 more boxes with nothing super interesting. Just a bunch of pretty standard inserts and some okay Young Gun canvas. All right, everyone, that is 4, 5, and 6, and we will be back soon with part 3 of the case. Until then, thanks for watching.